Man, there is a heck of a wind chill out right now. But it's still a beautiful morning. It's about 36 out. I'm hoping I'll get to test my jump today. I've got to put a heck of a lot of work in. All right, just made it to my trails. I'm hiking down in there right now. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I've been trying to upload almost every day. All right, my plan for today is to fill this in to make it a tabletop so it's a lot less sketchy. So I'm gonna start by grabbing some logs right now. Okay, I've got it filled in a bit. I'll grab some more wood if I need it, but I'm gonna start throwing some dirt in there now. The thing I used to be like worried about when building tabletops and stuff was I'm wasting a bunch of good dirt. But really, if you fill it in and then you want to make it bigger, you can use all the dirt from the center just to build it bigger again. Really, the thing that's so difficult about it is just the amount of time it takes to fill the entire thing in, you know? But yeah. All right, about halfway done already. I'm gonna fill it in a bit more, and then I'm gonna grab some more wood to fill it in even. There's really not much wood left to stack with, but it's okay. Got a bit in there. I'm a freaking human excavator right here. I mean, look how much dirt I moved. After like 3 hours of digging, I'm finally done with the table, so I'm going down there to test it right now. All right, let's do this. Oh, it worked. Yes, the tabletop worked. Okay, I think I can full send it now. And this a lot harder. I had trouble getting my foot on. I'll get it better this time. Gain the speed, hit the jump. Oh, dang. It's still sketchy though. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I think I can clear it if I just pull harder. Faster, and I've got it. Oh my gosh, that was so sketchy. I landed like in a manual. What in the world? I made it though. I definitely cleared it that time. Woo, that was scary. Oh my gosh. This time. Foot on, come on. Oh, I almost missed. Woo, gnarly. It's such a skinny landing, it's still a bit scary. All right, now that I'm finally done with this, I wanted to ask a question. What do you guys think if I start going off that way and kind of follow the ditch over here? Because it's already making like a natural transition where I could probably go and make a jump out that way into the other drainage thing over there. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that. Do like maybe an easier line. Let me know in the comments. My legs. It burns. Let me go. All right, I'm really hungry right now. I've been digging since 9 and it's 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go eat. Bye.